many miles away. Blessed be the children tucked up in their beds. It's hard to make your living right. Coastal Killybegs. How many times, how many days, counting the days till he gets home. There on his mind, time after time, counting the days till he gets home. The color of his diaper is starting to fade. Another day is over, another day away. He wouldn't change it for the world, fishing's in his blood. His daddy fished these waters when he was just a kid. How many times, how many days, counting the days till he gets home. There on his mind, time after time, counting the days till he gets home. Rocked and turned as he returns upon the ocean waves. Clouds roll by above the night, dark and full of rain. The lights of the harbor, they shine across the bay. It's nice to see the likes of home when you've been far away. One last time. How many times, how many days, counting the days till he gets home. There on his mind, time after time, counting the days till he gets home. I think the bus is waiting for you. I have to stay here.
Okay, that's 2 of your songs I'll be singing back in South
There you
Bend.
go.
That's brilliant. All right, everybody. Welcome to Donegal. And just so that folks back home know, who's
Ladies
singing?
and gentlemen, my name is Eunan McIntyre. I'm a local singer-songwriter from County Donegal, and just want to say hello and enjoy to hear these songs being sung in the States sometime.
Yeah,
All right.
we'll be singing this song back in South Bend, so pay attention, all right?
Yeah. But you said